Hi everyone, so this is HunyahTravels, and today I got this box from my director Valerie, who is from Goddess Pageants, which is a virtual new online pageant. So this is what I got. I'm representing Ontario, so let's see what's in here. I'm just gonna take it out. So there is these. This is perfect. This is let's see, this is no matter where you go, what you do, you'll always, okay, this is nice. And wow, this is a nice bracelet, so thank you, Valerie. And here is the crown, so that is this. And here is the sash. So this is Miss Brampton goodness, so that's that. So this is what's inside. Ooh, so let's see.